I want to show you how to find images that you can use in your magazine. You need to find images that are copyright free. So you have 3 websites you can try. First of all, you can try Unsplash, which you'll find beautiful high resolution images with Unsplash. If you're just doing any type of magazine, you can just do like woman or man, and you'll find great models that could represent just about anything, photography or art or whatever. The thing you want to look for, though, is somebody that has a solid background. For example, this would be excellent because you could take out the background very easily. So I would click on this, I would click download for free, and I would click save. Another place you could go is Pixabay. Now you can also try woman or man, that just to get general images. There's other things, like let's say you want an athlete, or let's try football player. You don't want to take the first row because those are paid for, but now here you have all of these. It's going to be a little harder to find something that has a solid background. This might be easier because it's there's a good one. If it's Pixabay, it's free, so you're allowed to use it. There's a good one. You don't want something like this. That's going to be not too hard. Most of these I would have to use Unsplash or Pixlr. So I'm going to drag this one. This is soccer actually, but it's okay. I'm going to take it. And I'm going to click download on this one. I'm going to show you how to take the background out in Pixlr. Now, the last solution is Google Image Search. You want to select reuse label for reuse with modification, and you can change the background by clicking on color and choosing a solid background. So you can choose white, which gives you, I just typed in athlete and it gives, I can find some with a white background, or you could try you can try all kinds of different ones, and maybe you will find a solid background. So try some different colors, because it doesn't matter what color it is, just as long as it's a solid color, it makes it easier to take out the background. So try all the solid colors. Okay, so I'm going to go into, first of all, show you how to take out the background in the program Preview. Preview is, if you just double click on the image on your desktop, it'll open automatically in Preview. Click on the toolbox, and the tool you want to use looks like a magic wand, and you just drag over the background. I have to try it a couple of times. It's not going to work very well. Okay, the problem with this, and it's in this one, is that the skin color is too close to the color of the background. So as you can see, it is selecting her skin color. So this image is not going to work in Preview. I doubt this one will either. Let's try it. No, yeah, so this one isn't going to work. So neither one of these is going to work in Preview. The only kind of thing that's going to work in Preview is something that is solid black and white. Let's try one here. Let's try this one. Let's see if I can. Okay, this is too low resolution to use in your magazine. Maybe this one's probably too low resolution too. Yeah, it's only 350 by 400. So I am not going to find anything here that's going to work. Oh, this one might, because it's not 1920. Okay, so you have to check out the resolution in Google, because so I'm going to go to Save Image As. It is a JPEG image. I don't know why it's just called Images. Let's see if I click on it. No, that's why. This site can't be reached. It's blocked. So I'm not going to be able to get that one either. What a pain, right? Okay, maybe this one. Oh, that's very high resolution. Let's try that one. Save image as. It's still called image. That means it's probably blocked. Nope. Oh. Okay, that's probably why. Let's try it here. Save image as. Yeah, okay, that one, I'm going to get it. If it just says the word image, it's not downloading the full image with the highest resolution. Let's open this one. Double click, open it in preview, and see if I can get the background. No. The reason is because this, oh, no, didn't quite get it. It's still got his face. Push delete, convert. What you do is you push delete and then you click convert. Yeah, this one isn't working. You need to try something that has just a solid white background. So let's go to Pixlr and learn how to use Pixlr. Go to Open Image, find your image that you downloaded. The tool that you want to use is the little scissors called Cutout. So we don't want Shape Cutout, obviously. I'm going to try the Magic. There's 3 tools you could use. Magic Cutout is like the magic wand. The Draw Cutout gives you kind of a paintbrush where it allows you to just paint on a selection. And then the Lasso, which you guys are familiar with. I'm going to try the Magic Cutout. I really like it when this one works. Not too bad. It's basically working like the magic wand where it's cutting out. Now, unfortunately, the grass is all different colors. I can change the tolerance. I'm going to move the tolerance down. Let's try moving the tolerance up. Okay, all you have to do is click. You don't have to drag, just click. And I'm getting rid of a lot of the green. Let's try moving it. There's no green on him, which is good. It might be easier just to paint it. I'm going to get the paintbrush. I'm going to make the paintbrush nice and big. And yeah, that's much easier. So this is how you get rid of the background in Pixlr. You have the lasso tool as well. So this is kind of basically just an eraser tool. You want to do a really nice job, keep it transparent. When it's time to save it, you're going to go to, let's see, how do we save? I'm going to go back to home, going to go to these 3 little dots. Nope. You're going to save image as. Let's try that. I don't know. I'll have to, oh, yep, there it is, format, Portagro. Okay, awesome. You just control click on the image right here and go to save image as. So that's how you remove the background.